Hey, Bart, what looks like a beautiful day with begin it, best. But homie, Ranger Ned is talking like that. Oh, Ranger Ned. After all, I am sorry that I'm not Red Bear. Well, hello, homie. Well, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to ask you to hand over that. Gee, homie, it's not very, not really. You want some of this? Dad, wake up, wake up! Oh, I was having a wonderful dream. I mean, I have a hat with no pants on it.